The customer called you today, letting you know that the caps and t-shirts that she ordered 3 months ago have now sold through. Her shelves are empty and she's ready to reorder the exact same designs and restock her shelves. Queen X loves that kind of an order. She's going to make it easy for you. Simply click on Sales Order Details, just as you always have, and in the new window that opens up, scroll through your list of existing orders until you find that previous order. In this case, it's an order for 6 different hats. To reorder it, simply go to the Copy button in the upper right-hand corner, click on it, and from the list of choices, click on Copy Order. You're immediately questioned as to whether or not you want the same production colors that you used in the previous order. If you say yes, you've really expedited things. But if the customer wants to change something, you would say no. Since this is an exact reorder, I'm going to say yes. And then I look at the list of items on the previous order. I can change a lot of things here. If she no longer wants the 51,000 in navy and the 51,286 in charcoal khaki, I simply uncheck the Copy button for those 2 items. If she no longer wants that 51,000 in putty, I could change it to any other color in the list. But if I do that, I would also probably want to uncheck the Production Colors box, let the system revert to best colors for garment, let the art department decide, and get art approval on that line. But at this point, if I leave things just as they are, I'm about to create a new order with just 4 lines on it by clicking on OK. When I click on OK, Queen X creates a brand new order with just those 4 lines on it, or whatever lines I actually wanted. It's stacking up all those caps with the exact art still in place with the exact same quantities. She creates a brand new order for you. I treat that new order just as I would any new order, immediately going to Header Details and filling in all the appropriate information in various fields, making sure I have all the contact information I need, as well as the program pricing. And speaking of pricing, if in fact there were a special pricing program on the previous order that no longer can apply to this new order, you would obviously need to remove that. You probably also want to open each line and check the quantities to make sure that you're ordering exactly the quantity that she wants this time. Change things as you see fit, and then click on the End Order button, and that exact reorder will go into the production pipeline.